Hello, this is Greg Laster here at 1221 Lafayette Parkway at LaGrange Toyota. Doing a quick preview of our selection of Tacomas we have here on the lot. This is for Mary. Mary, this just gives you an idea of what a large selection we actually have of new and used vehicles. This right here is our selection of Tacomas. As you can see, we keep about 25 or 30 on the lot at all times. Be glad for you to come down, actually preview them, see what we got. We also have a great selection of used vehicles. We have a good many of the Tacomas. I think you was interested in possibly a Tacoma and a two-door, and we do have a two-door down here. We've got the four doors, two doors, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, TRD off-road packages, whatever you might be interested in. Have some, like I said, some good clean trucks. I've got a two-door regular cab Tacoma, 2010 model, got it priced right. Got some used four doors also. I'd love for you to come down and actually take a look at our great selection we got here at LaGrange Toyota. And if you got the opportunity or don't have the opportunity and want to just talk to a salesperson, please call myself. My name is Greg Lassiter, 706-882-2963. Look forward to talking to you. Thank you.